I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright.
This is Boat Rocket 560. We have bought it from Flipkart. 15 hours of playback, dual connectivity, powerful 400 mAh capacity, and instant voice support with Google. If you go into the package itself, you get the headphones. The quality looks nice. It will cover your ears perfectly. You can see the Boat branded. We also get a box in it.
Manual.
It has a manual and some of the accessories. Warranty card. We also know that Boat is associated with Nirvana, Chennai Super Kings. So we get some photos in this.
Boat 560 Bluetooth headset. Sound quality is very good. Comparing to JBL Infinity, its sound is too much high and very comfortable.
I have already used the JBL headset. Apart from JBL, this headset is very comfortable and easily adjustable, and also the sound quality and the bass is very nice. So I recommend you to take this Boat headset.